pa, 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 king, pa, pa, king, pa, pa, pa. Hello, La Suerte Dance School, Michal and Anna. Welcome to another class with us. Today we will do another Rumba drill for you. The last time we did the basic Guaguanco steps in a really repeatable form. We repeated the same steps over and over, and we showed you also how to travel, and we didn't really show how to combine them. So it's previously we basically completed one step, started another, completed one, starting another, and put it in the pretty long sequence. Today we'll do something else. We'll try to mix steps together, put them in strange order, and add a bit of upper body for you as well. So the sequence will be shorter, however, from coordination perspective, a lot more demanding. Let's start. We start with basic. 5, 6, 7, and pa, 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 stop. First step, Cachan, toe heel cross. So first part, Cachan, we're traveling to the left. Second part, toe heel cross with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, y pa, 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 pa. Okay? One more time the same. From basic, fluently enter to the first step. 5, 6, 7, pa, we go. Pa, pa, and pa, king, ka. Okay, the next part. We continue with tap open, 5 with left, tap open, and for the next part we do and twist and close. Pa, pa. So it's in, out, and center. One more time, 5, 6, 7. In, out, and center. Okay, let's get back to our positions so we don't travel too much to the left, so you still can have the miniature front of us. 5, 6, the basic. 1, we go. Cachan, 6, 7. Y pa, 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 y pa, pa. So on pa, we are opening arms as well, both of us. Anna goes from front of her, open. I go unrolling from arms, and twist. Okay? One more time. Pay attention to arms a bit. Pay attention also to our low position. Yeah, Rumba is always danced really low. So let's try. 5, 6, 7, and pa, we go. Pa, pa, and pa, 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 and pa, king, pa. Next, toe heel on the left, but slow. Pa, and the next part, kick, put the legs together, swap. So this part, I kick with the left, put the toe close to the right, and then swap the foot, so I fully stand on front foot, which is left now, right got extended to the back. One more time from top. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, we go. Boom, pa, y pa, pa, tap, open, pa, and twist. Pa, toe, heel, slow, extend and down. From Anna's perspective, she goes first up with her left and then front with her left with this step. So can we do the kick again? From my point of view, it's extension forward and then down in a backward style. 5, 6, 7, and pa, pa. That's this part. One more time from top. 5, 6, 7, and pa, we go. Pa, and pa, pa, and pa, pa, and pa. Okay, continuation from here. We go with our foot. Front with the right, back with the right, cross and close. So with the rhythm, pa, and pa, pa. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Almost all of the steps we are doing now are following this rhythm. Sometimes it's N5, and there is the twist a bit. I'll go through numbers in a moment. Let's do this last step one more time. So right cross in front and coom, and king, king, pa. And we finish the sequence just traveling to the right with 2 Cachan step. Left foot starts back, 5, 6, 7, I pa, 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 I pa, pa, pa. Let's start everything from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and pa, pa, go, and pa, pa, and pa, hop, and pa, hop, and pa, Cachan, Cachan, tick, Cachan, one more, and a bit smaller for us because we need to fit in camera. I just realized we didn't explain the arms for the last part, for this foot in front, foot in the back action. So from Anna's perspective first, she starts with the right foot up, arms up, right foot front, arms up, then right foot back, arms on her hips, palms on her back really, and now the next part, she starts, wait a second, let's do just arms movement. So she starts with arms crossed in front and she's making circle all the way up and lowering it down during the step. So we have, let's do this fluently. 5, 6, 7, and ka, and ka, ka. So now arms are relatively low, so we can extend them to the left for Cachan. From my perspective, I'm just lifting them up. Kum, kum, I hold it up, and then during the next step, I start lowering it down. King, king, kum. And then Cachan, Cachan. Nothing really to discuss in here. Whole sequence from top, one more time. Let's get to our positions. I have to be a bit behind. Again, we're really limited by space when we are recording, but that's fine. I think you'll manage to follow. 5, 6, basic, and pa, we go. Pa, and Cachan, pa, and pa. King, 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 puku, and pa. King, king, kuku, and pa. King, king, kuku, and 2 Cachan sing. One more tiki, and king, 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 and stay. Let's do it with numbers. 5, 6, 7, pa. 5, 6, 7, 1, we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, and 5, 6. Slowly. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. It's a lot easier to do it with clave than with numbers. When you get used to clave rhythm, when you get used to kata rhythm, it's a lot easier to follow them rather than just counting. But especially for you, we'll count. Music on. Similar to previous class, 104 beats per minute. It might be quite demanding, but we believe in you. If anything goes wrong, you can always slow down this video. Pa, 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 pa. We go. Pa, pa, and pa, 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 and pa, king, pa, king, pa, and pa, king, pa, and pa. Second Cachan, and basic. And one more time the same, we go. Pa, pa, king, pa, king, pa, zoom, pa, zoom. And Cachan, 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 Cachan. Go. And last time, we go. Cachan, hop. Sorry, I missed Anna. I'll do it again. And we go with Cachan, hop, pa. Ping, king, king, ping, 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 and ping, ping. Nice one. So now you know that we are not cheating. Mistakes are happening, and sometimes I'm just simply calling too late. So, all good. If you liked it, remember to press the thumb up under, like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. If you would like something specific in terms of rumba, afro, some cool additions to salsa, give us a shout. We are happy to record something different for you. Maybe Anna will do some feminine orishas. thumbs up for that. If you would like some, give us a shout, leave some comment under the video. We will see you next time very, very soon. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.